In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix critical underscore process underscore died in Windows 10, 8, and 7. First thing you're going to do, go here, type in CMD, right click, run as administrator, yes. Here you're going to type in sfc /scan now. And then you want to press enter and let it load. So after it loads, now you want to type in DISM /online /cleanup -image /restore health. Then press enter and let it load. So after it finishes loading, now you want to type in chkdsk /f /r C and then colons, and then press enter. And here you want to type Y and then press enter. Now this will check your computer the next time you restart it. After this, you can just close this down, restart your computer, and hopefully your issue is fixed.